Welcome to my channel. My name is Karl Ozaeta. In today's video, I'll show you how to use SUMIF. Let's dive in. What is SUMIF? SUMIF is an Excel function that sums amounts if a specific condition is met. In front of us is a worksheet containing a table with toppings that you would add to a burger or a sandwich along with specific types and amounts. For this example, we want Excel to look at cell A4, which is our condition. Then we want Excel to look at the topping range, which starts from cell A7 and ends at A19. If any toppings between A7 and A19 matches the condition, then we want Excel to sum their amounts. So if we list tomatoes in cell A4, we want Excel to only sum up the amounts for tomatoes and nothing else. So, how do we proceed in using SUMIF? Let's start by clicking on cell B4. This is where we want Excel to display the summed amount. Then let's enter an equal sign, followed by SUMIF. Then let's add an open parentheses. Next, we want to select the topping range, which starts on A7 through A19. Then let's add a comma. After the comma, let's click on cell A4, which is the condition, the one topping that Excel should look for, then add another comma. Then let's select the amount range that starts on C7 and ends on C19. And finally, let's add a close parentheses before pressing the Enter key. Now, if we type tomatoes in cell A4, the total amount will display as 135, which is correct. If we highlight the amount for all tomatoes, which is 40 plus 40 plus 40 plus 15, that sums up to 135. And if we enter onions, the total amount changes to 30. And that's how SUMIF works. I hope you learned something new, and if you haven't done so, please consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next video.